Wait, don't skip! Today, I create something truly amazing using 100% free AI tools. That's right, totally free. Take a look at this video. Wow! The bird characters are so cute and full of life. And just look at that HD Pixar style quality. From the bright colors to the smooth animation, this is something you'd expect from a professional studio. But nope, all done with free AI tools. Yes, I made this video and guess what? You can too. But before we go any further, please take 1 second and hit that subscribe button for my channel, A Tech Creation. I've got more free tutorials, more creative content, and a lot more AI magic coming your way. Now, here's something I want to show you. Go to YouTube and search for a channel called Beats. This channel is absolutely insane. It has over 454,000 subscribers, more than 2,100 videos, and almost every video has over 100 million views. No joke, go explore their popular section. From cute animals to fantasy characters, the quality is incredible and the ideas are endless. So yes, get inspired, take notes, and get ready to create. Now take a screenshot of your favorite moment in this video. Got it? Awesome. Now let's move to the next step and I'll show you how you can make videos just like this. Let's go. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT. Don't waste any time. Just open ChatGPT and upload your screenshot. Now ask, give me a detailed prompt of this pic in Pixar style 3D. Boom! Within seconds, an amazing high-quality prompt is ready for you. It describes every little detail, lighting, character style, background, everything you need for perfect image generation. Look at it. Just wow. Each prompt is crafted for stunning Pixar-style 3D output. All prompts done. Super fast, super easy. Now, copy the first prompt. Got it? Great. Let's move to the next step. Step 2. Now go to the text-to-image website called Pixelmon. It's 100% free and super easy to use. First, select the image ratio. Choose 16. 9 for perfect YouTube quality. Now take the first Pixar-style prompt from ChatGPT and upload it. Wait a few seconds. Boom! Yes, sis. The image is ready and it looks amazing. Now repeat this. Upload all the prompts one by one. Wait for each one to generate. And yes, yes, yes. Just look at that quality. Whoa! The characters, the lighting, the 3D look. It's like a mini Pixar movie. Now go through all the pictures, one by one. Check the detail, the quality, the characters. Absolutely stunning. Now download all your images. Step 3. And this one is super important, so listen closely. Today, I'm used 2 magical AI video tools, both 100% free and mind-blowing. Let's start with the first tool, Dig AI. Just open the website, and guess what? Every single day, they give you 420 free credits. Yes, daily. Now click on Create. Upload your first Pixar-style image. Paste the detailed prompt you copied earlier, then click Generate. Now wait is some minute now. Again, same process, second image uploaded. Prompt write and generate. Wait a few seconds, and now, boom! Your first and second AI-generated animation is ready. Whoa! Just look at this video. Smooth animation, high-quality rendering, cinematic movements. It looks like something straight out of a Pixar film. Totally free, totally stunning. Now download all the videos one by one because we're moving to the second powerful tool. Tool 2, Dream Inner AI. This one is just as epic, but even better in some ways. Why? Because it uses 0 credits, meaning you can generate unlimited videos completely free. But here's the trick. You must turn on your VPN before using this site. Once your VPN is active, refresh the website and now you'll see the Generate Video option. Now, follow these simple steps. 1. Upload your AI-generated Pixar-style image 2. Enter the same prompt as before 3. Hit Generate and wait. after around 15 minutes, get ready. Boom! Whoa! Just look at this. The animations are flawless. HD quality, perfect character movements, dreamy colors. It's hard to believe this is free. Just think about it. While others are spending dollar on software, cameras, editors, and models, you're creating studio-level animated videos from your laptop absolutely free. So go ahead. Upload all your images one by one, generate all the videos. There's no limit. Once all your animated videos are ready, downloaded, and saved, we're all set to jump into the final editing and publishing phase. Let's move on to the next step, where it all comes together into a wow video. Step 4. Now let's add the final magic touch, sound. For this, go straight to the YouTube audio library. It's completely free and filled with thousands of awesome tracks. Once you're there, search for fun, pop-style background music. Something energetic, uplifting, and engaging to match your amazing Pixar-style videos. Scroll through, click to preview, and when you find the one that makes your video feel alive, yes, click download, and boom! Now you have the perfect soundtrack. Step 5. Final step, editing. All right, we've come to the final step, and this is where it all comes together. Let's head over to CapCut, the easiest and most powerful free editing tool. First, import all your AI-generated videos into CapCut. Now drag them onto the timeline, one by one, and arrange them in perfect sequence. Make sure the story flows smoothly from start to finish. Next, remove any logos or watermarks. Use the scale tool to crop them out and adjust your framing. Zoom in slightly if needed, and boom, your video is now super clean and professional. Now it's time to add that awesome soundtrack you downloaded from YouTube Audio Library. Drag it in, line it up with your visuals, and feel the energy rise. Then, go in and add smooth transitions between each scene. This keeps your video flowing naturally and adds a pro-level finish. Final check. Watch your full video from start to end. Crystal clear? Sound perfect? Visuals stunning? Yes? Then go ahead. Click Export, select HD resolution, and boom! Congratulations! Your full AI animated video is done. It's powerful, it's engaging, and the best part, it's made 100% free using AI tools. Please don't forget, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, tools, and tips to create magic like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.